So, the Pixel 9 Pro, the first real hands-on leak, is out, and it's bringing some surprises nobody expected. We're getting 3 Pixel 9 models this year, or 4 if we include the Fold. Today, we finally have real pictures of the Pixel 9 Pro showing off the new design. Honestly, when I first saw the Pixel 9 Pro in those fancy CAD pictures, I wasn't sure about the design at first. But you know what? It's growing on me. That flat frame with the oval camera? It's starting to look pretty sleek. To be clear, the phone here isn't in perfect condition. There's this big web of cracks chilling on the top left, held together with some tape. But, hey, we're still getting a good look at what this phone's all about. One of the pictures even puts the Pixel 9 Pro next to an iPhone 14 Pro Max, giving us a solid look at how they compare in size. And if you're scratching your head over the size difference, let me break it down for you. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is going to keep the same size as its older sibling, the Pixel 8 Pro. On the other hand, the Pixel 9 Pro is probably going to be about the same size as the standard Pixel 9, but with some pro-level goodies like a periscope telephoto camera. As for size, the Pixel 9 Pro is looking like it'll be in the same ballpark as the iPhone 15 Pro. Oh, and here's a neat little detail, the phone's got flat sides, but there's this sweet curve where they meet the front and back. Makes it comfy to hold, you know? Unlike the iPhone 14 Pro with its kinda sharp edges that could be a pain during those binge scrolling sessions. By the way, Apple fixed that with the 15 Pro. Now, let's talk about the surprise I mentioned earlier, the RAM. The image shows that Google is putting a whopping 16 GB of RAM into both the Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL. This is a notable upgrade from the Pixel 8 Pro, which came with 12 GB of RAM. Google isn't usually known for going overboard with specs, so this is a nice surprise. And get this, it's even more RAM than what's in Samsung's fancy S24 Ultra. Why so much RAM, you ask? Well, more RAM means the on-device AI stuff can really work at its full potential. Speaking of the on-device AI, the latest findings have revealed that the Pixel 9's many modern AI tools will be processed on the device itself. This includes text-to-image generation, text rewriting, and question-and-answer conversations with the phone. Now, these AI features are becoming pretty standard, but what's cool about the Pixel 9 is that it's doing all this stuff locally, no cloud needed unlike the Pixel 8, which makes it faster and more secure. With that said, the Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL will have this feature that even the Galaxy S24 Ultra doesn't have, making the Pixel 9 Pro the first mainstream Android phone to have it. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race